We'll guide you through how to use WordCounter extension. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a quick and practical way to count words and text details without switching websites or tools. Many writers, students, bloggers, and professionals need accurate word counts for assignments, articles, or posts, and the WordCounter extension helps them work faster, stay organized, and improve productivity directly inside the browser. To begin this tutorial, open your computer and wait until it fully starts so the desktop screen is visible and ready to use. Click Search in the bottom left corner to open the search bar and prepare it for typing. Then, type Google Chrome in the provided field and wait for the browser to appear in the results. Click Open in Google Chrome to open it, and allow the browser window to load completely. Once open, click Extensions in the top right corner of the browser to access extension options. Then, click Manage Extensions to open the Extensions Management page. Click Chrome Web Store in the top left corner to visit the official store for browser extensions. Once open, click Search so the search bar becomes active and ready for input. Then, type word counter into the search field to look for the extension. Click word counter in the search results to open its extension page. Then, click Add to Chrome to begin installing the extension on your browser. Then, click Add Extensions to confirm the installation and allow the process to complete. Once finished, the WordCounter extension will automatically activate and be ready for use. Right-click the text in your browser to try the WordCounter extension and see available options. Next, click Count Word, and text statistics will automatically appear, showing useful information such as word count, character count, and other details. This process allows you to quickly analyze text without opening a separate website or tool. The extension works directly inside your browser, making it convenient for writing, editing, or reviewing content. By following these steps in order, you ensure the extension is installed correctly and functions as expected. After installation, you may use the extension anytime by selecting Text and accessing the right-click menu. This makes checking text length fast and efficient.